Hello everybody. So the issue of the white screen you get to observe just after you updated your firmware is actually due to a glitch. All right. Your phone might have not fallen to the floor, but all of a sudden you start seeing this white screen shimmering like all over it. So it's quite unfortunate, but then this is the fix. I had to reach out to the Samsung customer service center on mobile to actually get the right fix, and it worked for me. I didn't make this video immediately. I had to wait for like 5 days. Yeah, I waited for 5 days to see if it's going to repeat itself, but it never did. So this is 100% solution to this problem. So as you can see here, this was when I lodged a complaint. All right, I told them I don't know how to fix it. So, and my phone never fell to the floor, and I recently updated my S20 5G, okay, and started experiencing the white screen, okay. So I had to send them a screenshot of the problem. So the mobile support was able to reply. We had this conversation. So let's go into this. So you can see here is the series of messages I've actually been able to follow to actually reach them directly. For a minute, for some time, I was told that there was some, I had to wait for some time due to customer care being busy and all of that, but then the letter showed up. All right, let's just wait for some time, waiting for the reply. And just a minute. Okay, this was the option I was given to do, and I was asked to kindly perform a soft reset on my device, okay, by holding down the power button and then the volume down button, yeah, all together at the same time for like 10 to 15 seconds till the phone switches off, right? So, and I actually wanted to know how much this is going to be very much significant, because on a scale of 1 to 10, I wanted to know how possible this is going to fix, this problem. So I needed to be resolute at all cost. So let's just wait. I'm still going to perform this, what the outcome was going to be. I'm on a scale of 1 to 10, the chance of soft reset actually fixing this problem, in as much as my phone never fell to the floor. So let's wait a bit. Yeah, just some little time. Yeah, I think I got a reply. He said, or they said 10 because it happened after you updated the software. All right, please perform the soft reset, then advise when the device is fully back on. So, and I had to appreciate them, but then I needed to keep them online in order for me to perform the soft reset and then get back to them to know actually if this worked. So just a minute. I want to do it right away. Okay, please stay with me. All right, so I don't want the customer care agent to actually just go off without knowing the outcome, or probably if it worked or not. I really wanted the agent to actually guide me all through, so I just had to wait for his reply. So there you go. They said, noted, I will stay connected. All right, thanks. Now I'm going to do the soft reset, okay? So here we go. This is my Samsung S20 5G. So I'm going to hold the power button and then the volume down button all together at the same time. Here's the power button, right? And that's the volume down button. I'm going to hold them all together till it tries to switch off, right? So let's just wait a bit. So you keep holding it for like 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Now it's off. I can leave it. So, and then I'm going to wait till it comes back on by itself, right? We have to wait till it comes back on by itself. So this probably going to take a couple of minutes. maximum of 4 minutes, the phone should come back on. I had to let the total time elapse. Okay, now the phone is back on. You can see it's just turned back on. So, and it's trying to initialize. The soft reset would not delete your applications. You're not going to lose any file. It's not like a factory reset, so it's just a soft reset. It resets your application settings and tries to put them in the right places and to eliminate any form of glitch. So you could see my face. So and that was it. That actually fixed it. But then let's get through the whole of the steps. So now I'm trying to unlock the phone. All right, just a minute. This phone is restarting, and I'll need to get back to the customer care agent to actually tell them that I have actually resetted this. I've done the soft reset. Okay, so but then I never experienced this ever again. I never experienced it for once. So this was definitely due to glitch. I was trying to increase the brightness because usually I didn't know where the cost was coming from. So but then everything got fixed, right? But then I need to reach out to the customer care agent actually to say thanks, because that really worked 100%, and it was coming directly from the Samsung customer care. So now I have to reply. I'm back. It's done. Right. Just needed to confirm that I've done the soft reset, and I was just waiting for the reply. So there you go. Thank you for confirming. How is your device now? Yeah, it's definitely fine. It's definitely fine. Yeah, it's back to shape. So I haven't experienced it yet. So I never did. I never actually did experience it anymore. So that fixed it. All right. So I told them that I think it's fixed, because I was just so surprised because my phone never fell to the floor, and all of a sudden after an update and then start misbehaving. So that was a glitch problem. It has nothing to do with your Flex. In this case, it has nothing to do with your Flex. Okay. So that fixed it, guys. So they wanted to know if there's anything they could assist me with, but then I said no thanks. So, and I felt like updating all my phone applications. That was what I had to do. Just all my applications had to be updated. I had to update them, because I was like, okay, fine, it's all working set. So all my applications, I decided to update them because I just needed to stay updated with their latest firm application, to support the phone's functionality is very important. So guys, this was how I fixed the white screen. Okay, so thanks for watching.